we'll introduce the main halls of 3 different office buildings in the north region of Czech Egypt's new capital CBD project. The main hall is the main interface of each building. The design and decoration of the main hall always come into view first. Uniquely designed and exquisitely decorated main halls usually leave people with the best first impression. Follow me to take a look. First, we come to the main hall of C03 building. It is 880 square meters. Artificial stone, wood grain stone, and grease volcanic jazz white marble are used for the interior decoration of the main hall, mainly in a dark tone. The wall we see now has wavy wood trim, full of modern style. The hall is surrounded by 11 stainless steel clad columns. There are also 38 patterned metal screens on the wall to embellish the hall. The most distinctive in the hall is the patterns on the wall at the end of the corridor and in the elevator lobby. The patterns are made of artificial stones and marbles. The stones on the floor also adopt the same patterns. They are all the same conceptual design pattern, the Egyptian lotus. The Egyptian lotus flower symbolizes creation and rebirth in Egypt. It is regarded as the bringer of light and the embodiment of the perfection of wisdom. Where I am standing now, there will be a reception desk, a chandelier above, automatic gates machines at the entrance, and sofa seats will be placed in this area for guests to rest. Let's see the effect shown in the rendering. Looking forward to your visit to check if it is the same as the design after completion. As it is still in the construction stage, it's now covered for protection. The floor is in harmony with the walls and columns in color. The front is a screen made of stainless steel and wood. It is the main interface of the hall. Here will be a reception desk, here will also be a reception desk, here seats for guests to rest, and patterned marbles in this open space. A chandelier will also be installed overhead. Let's take a look at the final effect. Finally, we come to the main hall of C11 office building, which is symmetrical with C12 building. The main hall of C11 building is 670 square meters. The wall in the front is spliced with well-spaced claret red and jet black marbles, in harmonious and pleasing tones. The style of the stone pillars in the hall is obviously different from others, making it more unique. The walls and stone pillars are decorated with metal screens and marble, making the hall more beautiful. A reception desk will be set here and sofa seats here for guests to rest. The decoration of the hall features elegant simplicity. Take a look at its final effect. What we saw are the main halls of 3 different office buildings in the north area of the project. Each has its own characteristics. Looking forward to your visit here, telling your own feelings and choose the one you like most. Now the office buildings in the north region have basically taken shape. Only part of the interior decoration work is left. After these office buildings are constructed in the near future, becoming what is shown in the renderings. We welcome you to come here and have a look.